Now, I've been working out at home since 2022, and in the 2.5 year of time period, I've gained over 15 kilograms of lean muscle mass. Literally, I looked like this, and now I look like this. And I've gained a lot of muscle over that period of time. And in this video, I'll tell you the step by step method. It's the workout guide, but in this series, I'll tell you the step by step guide to get jacked from home with no fancy equipments, just a pair of dumbbells and a place where you can do dips. I made it myself at my home, and you can probably do some Indian jugaad stuff and get yours as well. So there's no requirement of a gym or any fancy equipment, just weights and dumbbells and a place where you can do dips. Now, starting out the series, I'm doing the push workout. So, the first exercise that you have to do on your push days is push ups. No weight, just your body weight, push ups till failure. You don't have to focus on the form as much. I mean, as long as you are not getting injured, the form is correct. You don't have to lock your elbows out after every single rep. Just rep out as many short push-ups, or just push-ups in general. Just crank out as many reps as you can until you can't even do this. You can't even lift yourself up off the ground. That is true failure. So, three sets of that, and we're going to move to the next exercise. The next exercise is bodyweight dips. I know that you probably don't have a place to do bodyweight dips, but bro, I mean, I made one for myself, and if I can do it, you can as well, bro. And let's see the worst case scenario that you can't get a place to do dips. Do bench dips. It's simple. If you don't have a place to do bodyweight dips, the parallel bar grips, the parallel grip dips, find a place where you can do bench dips. Use your bed or any other place, bro. Just do dips. After the three sets of push ups till failure, I mean, I want you to push till failure for those three sets. Note them down, maybe in a notepad or like I do in my Google Notes. No, I don't use the Notes app, rather, I use the calendar app and I update that task every single workout. That's what I do. So do that and then switch to the next exercise, rep out, note it down, just so that you have a record that you have to break in every single workout and you can track your progress basically. I'm telling you to do this so that you know that you are progressing and you get that dopamine feeling with every single workout. Now for the dips part, I want you to focus on your form. Really, I mean, I've seen a lot of people fuck their shoulders up while doing dips, and I don't want that to happen with you. So, focus on your form. Don't go too down, too much, too down. I mean, it should be It should be like this. I mean, you don't have to go down any more than this. If you're here, it's all right. If you're doing it till here, you might have a chance of injury. And I don't want you to fucking injure yourself whilst working out, because injuries are the worst thing that can happen to a person who works out and likes to work out. You'll probably lose your momentum, your flow. You get my point, right? I mean, if you stop working out, you probably are falling lacking behind in every single aspect of your life. that will happen to you, and I don't want that to happen to you. So focus on your form. I know there's a bell outside my house. Just ignore that shit. Focus on your form. Take 2.5 minutes of rest in between sets. The resting period is same with the push-ups and with the dips. As long as you are not doing any down workouts, the resting period is the same. 2.5 minutes of rest. That's it. Now grab yourself about 10 kg of weight. I don't know, put some water bottles in your bag, or maybe put some heavy books in the bag, or do some shit like that. Get a lot of weight. I mean, 10 kg is not a lot of weight, but if you don't have weight, if you don't have literal plates, then it probably is a lot of weight for you. So get anything that you can use as weights, and if you have a place to do the parallel dips, the parallel bar dips, do weighted dips. 3 sets till failure, 2.5 minutes of rest. Focus on the form, push yourself like crazy, and maybe even scream in between sets. I don't care. I do it. You have to as well. Let's say that you don't have the place to do the parallel dips. Do weighted push-ups. 3 sets, about 10 kg weight. Crank out as many reps as you can. Then switch to the next exercise that I'm going to show you. The next exercise is down workout push-ups. Push-ups again, nothing fancy, just the normal push-ups. You don't even have to lock out your elbows after every single rep because it will ruin your ligaments, bro. It will I mean, it will fuck your elbows if you're doing high reps. So maybe do a soft lockout like this. Don't hold it right here. Don't try to straighten your arm out like this. Just do a soft lockout like this. I hope you understand. So you don't have to lock out your elbows after every single rep. Keep that in mind. You don't have to squeeze your muscles. Doing normal short push-ups is fine as long as you are repping out till failure. So only 30 seconds of rest in between sets. I want you to do 5 sets of this. In the first set, do as many as you can till failure. 30 seconds of rest. Do as many as you can as till failure. Do 5 sets of this, and you're done with the body weight exercises. You don't have to do anything else for the body weight, for the chest, for the triceps. Now we are going to move on to the shoulder work. For the shoulders, dumbbell press. I'm not joking, bro. I mean, if you don't have dumbbells, get them. I don't care what your excuse is. Get a pair of dumbbells, bro. I mean, I was scared to get dumbbells because of my father and my parents basically. I was worrying too much about their judgment. Fuck their judgment, bro. With no respect to your parents, I don't want you to get held it back by your own parents, bro. Maybe your parents are like mine and they don't allow working out at home or working out in general. I don't care. Do what is important. Don't fucking point to your father and your mother as an excuse. Fucking do your work. So, if you don't have dumbbells, do pike push-ups for now. But I want you to get dumbbells, bro, adjustable ones, and get as much weight as you can. 5 sets of dumbbell press. No incline, nothing fancy. Just sit down anywhere, maybe on your bed. Just sit down and do 5 sets of dumbbell press. Why sit down? So that you eliminate the momentum, and in dumbbell press you can use your legs as well for the extra momentum and extra power, I don't want you to use that because that will probably ruin your gains. You'll be using your legs and not your shoulders as much. So we don't want that because we want big shoulders. So sit down and do the shoulder press. Rep out as much as you can. Once you get to the 30 reps per set mark, slow down or maybe increase the weight if you have weights. If you don't have weights, just slow down your tempo, slow descent and fast ascent. That's what you want. So at first, rep out as much as you can till you get to like 30 reps. Once you get to 30 reps, bro, you won't feel it as much if you can do 35 reps of shoulder press. Rather, what you can do is slow down the tempo, slow reps. That will give you better gains overall in general. So, 5 sets of dumbbell press, then we are going to move to the next exercise. Now, remember 2.5 minutes of rest. This is not a down workout, so you can take 2.5 minutes of rest. And then we go to the lateral raise. Now, lateral raise, I used to shit on this exercise, but lateral raise is an overpowered exercise for building your shoulders, bro. I mean, you'll get that rounded look. And if I have to do one isolation exercise and I can get that rounded look, fuck it, I'll do it. So that's why I recommend to do shoulder press. Now, lateral raise. For the lateral raise, pick lightweight, maybe 5 kilos, maybe 7.5 kilos, not heavier, not any heavier than that. 5 kilos, do the lateral raise. Focus on the form. Do slow descents so that you actually burn real great. You actually burn your muscle, and don't use that momentum. Maybe do it seated if you can't really, like, maybe do it seated, but I'd recommend standing up because I've found out that if you do lateral raise standing up, it will be harder as compared to seated. That's why I do it standing up. So rep out as much as you can. Once you can't lift your arms even this much, do shorties, bro. Just short reps. Do them until you can't, like, you are like shaking and you can't even lift your arm this much. Stop. Count. Write down the number of reps you did. Move on to the next set. So 3 sets of lateral raise. Follow the tips that I gave, and that's it. That was it for the push workout. Now, if we count in total how many sets we did, for the chest, we did 3 sets of push up still failure, then 3 sets of dip still failure, and then 3 sets of weighted dips, and then 5 sets of bodyweight push ups. But that was down workout. So we did in total about 14 sets for the chest. If you count that as overworking, no, it's not. It's clearly not. Maybe at your level, you need to decrease the volume. Maybe you are a beginner, decrease the volume, do 2 sets of push ups till failure, decrease it as long as you can handle it. If it's too easy, it won't make you gains. If it's too hard, it will probably injure you. So you need to find that middle part. So, in my opinion, if you're a beginner, do about 6 sets for your chest at least in a workout. So, if you follow this, work out this blueprint, then it will look something like one set of push up till failure, then a set of weighted dips and a set of dips till failure, and then a set of no then three sets of down workout push-ups. It will look something like that. Maybe change some shit up according to your liking, but if you're really a beginner, if you've just started working out, if it's not been at least 6 months since you've been working out, 6 sets for your chest in one session for is good. I mean, as long as you're hitting your muscle twice a week, so your total sets per week is 12 for your chest, it will make some growth. It will have you growing. But as you progress and as you are not getting sore after your workouts, increase the intensity. Make sure that you are getting sore if you are following a push pull leg split or any split. If you're not doing full body workouts every single day, you have to get sore, bro, in order to see fucking muscle growth. And we did 8 sets for shoulders. So if you do this workout twice per week, you will do about 16 sets for your shoulders and about 28 sets for your chest and triceps and front delts. Basically, I mean, you'll see mad gains, bro. I've been following this exact workout for about 1.5 months, and the gains that I've noticed is phenomenal. I mean, the strength gain is phenomenal. The size gain is pretty phenomenal as well. If we see the time period, in about 1 month, I got about point 3 inches increase in my arms, and that's pretty great. So make sure to work out every single day, follow a good split, and if you do this workout twice a week, you'll have mad gains. Don't forget to work out. Peace. And remember, nothing has ever stopped a man who wanted to do something in life.